Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to change your password in the Bluesky app quickly and easily, whether you forgot your password or just want to update it for security. This guide will help you complete the process. First, open the Bluesky app on your phone. Next, look at the top left and tap on the three horizontal, then tap on the Settings menu. From there, go to the Account section. Click on the Password option to start the password change process. Then, you will see an option to request a code. Click on Request Code, and Bluesky will send a reset code to your registered email address. Go to your email inbox, copy the code from the message and return to the app. Enter the code in the required field to verify your identity. Enter your new password in the designated field. Make sure to choose a strong password that you can remember. Then, click on the Next button to save the changes. Finally, your password will be updated successfully, and you can now log in using the new password. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. Thanks for watching.